Let's make some chicken in the air fryer. I've taken one chicken breast here. Add some salt, paprika, coriander powder, garlic powder, red chilli flakes, dried parsley juice, olive oil. Mix everything. Transfer this to a baking dish. Spread it around. This is gonna go in the air fryer 200 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. This is how the chicken looks after 20 minutes. Tomato paste, yogurt, cream, garlic, olive oil, water, flakes, salt. Mix everything. Pour this in. Mix it. Gonna add some spinach, baby tomatoes, chilies. This is gonna go in the air fryer at 200 degrees Celsius for about 7 to 8 minutes. It's ready.